So now I'm gonna put it in the rice cooker. My hand is dirty. There.
Walang water.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Niña Jose-Quiambao Facebook page. Today, I'm gonna showcase to you the favorite Bayambang products we have here in our town, which is the Bayambang's Best Longganisa and of course, our One Food 160 rice. So, come on, let's go and cook! So now guys, I'm gonna make saing some rice. Hindi nyo lang alam, actually ang dami nagsasabi sa akin na hindi halata na nagluluto ako or hindi raw ako marunong magsaing, pero sa totoo lang marunong ako. Years back, my parents sent me to the States and I had to do everything for myself. So, narunong talaga ako mag-cook ng rice. So, as you can see, I am putting 3 cups of rice and ang pagkakaalam ko is paglagay mo is dapat 3 cups of water. So tara na guys, let's go get some water here at Niña's Cafe. So, okay. So 3 cups, lalagyan natin ng 3 cups of water. So ganyan. Tapos 3 beses mo rin siya dapat hugasan. Yun ang turo sa akin ng mommy ko. So ganyan. And then, okay, ito. Okay, wait lang. So, see, ayan guys. So, syempre marunong naman talaga ako. Tapos, gaganyanin ko. Hi, Dad! I'm going to clean the rice kasi syempre we want clean rice, diba? Hindi naman pwede sa family natin ang lumang rice or madubing rice na may mga uod and stuff. So, we need to clean it. There. Oh, see? Tama ako. So, yung ibang tao, yung rice water, ginagawa nilang pangpahaba, pampaganda ng hair. So, ginawa sa rice, yung ganun, tinatago nila sa bottle and then piniferment nila for 24 hours until the next day. Tapos, they use it sa shower. Tapos, gumaganda yung hair nila. Pero, hindi agad-agad. Parang it takes like a month before you see the results. So, there, the rice water. So, ganyan. So, malinis na to siguro. Sobra. Okay. Okay. My God. Pero, you know guys, I don't eat rice, white rice. So, I eat brown rice. And pareho rin yung process. Quinoa. Quinoa is different. Not this one. Anyway, this is one of our products here in Bayambang. As you can see naman, we Cesar, my husband, we very support the farmers, 100%. We support the farmers, all the plants here in Bayambang, the products, the produce. We support local, so we should support Bayambang products. So this is our rice. It's one of the best rice in the Philippines. So now I'm gonna put it in the rice cooker. My hand is dirty. There.
Walang water.
So now I'm putting water. Oh my God. I'm sorry, you have to forgive me. The last time I cooked rice was like years ago, like 6 years ago, because I don't really eat rice. So they're now really going back. This is the truth. We're going back. We are now gonna cook the rice. Again, we support local products. This is one of the best rice thingies in the Philippines. 160. So you can only get that here in Bayambang. So we 100% support the farmers, and this is one of our products. And now we're gonna cook the rice. Hi guys, welcome back to the Niña Jose-Quiambao Facebook page. And now we are gonna cook the Bayambang's Best Longganisa of the Bayambang ANCOP Village. It's a project that my husband decided to give to the people to support the sustainable livelihood of people in the ANCOP village. Kasi we believe that it's better that we teach people how to fish rather than give people fish so that, you know, they can carry on that thing for the rest of their lives. Kasi if lagi na lang tayong umaasa, then paano kung nawala yung inaasahan natin, paano tayo, right? So we have to now, I'm gonna cook longanisa. So what we're gonna do, ang gagawin natin is, kukunin natin tong longanisa. It's so yummy, it's so juicy. How do I know? Because my husband says so. I don't eat pork, but I am doing this for all of you. So now we're gonna put the longanisa there. We will wait, we will make it simmer. Hintayin natin siya hanggang kumulo siya. And then, pag kumulo siya, it will enjoy itself in its own oil. So we have to wait for its own oil to go out of the longanisa para mas masarap and mas juicy kaysa lagyan pa ng mga oil kasi that's added cholesterol. So there, like we're gonna wait for it to boil. Okay, so ganyan lang siya, guys. So, alam nyo ba guys, mahilig talaga ako magluto. Actually, like what I said earlier, mga 2014, my parents sent me to the States, and pagdating sa Amerika, lahat ng chores sa bahay, ikaw talaga gagawa. So, mahilig, hobby ko talaga magluto. So, nagluto ako ng mga adobo, hindi lang talaga halata sa itsura ko, pero nagluluto ako adobo, sinigang, kung ano pang pancakes, waffle, mga ganyan. I used to cook for my aunt because I lived with her. Hi, Tita Yvette, and my Lola Sita in Chicago. So, hello. So, now, yeah, I'm cooking. And then, when I met my husband, at the first few months we were together, I was so into cooking. Like, actually, he became healthier when I was cooking for him. Honestly, it's true. You ask him. Every night, I'll cook for him salad. You don't really cook it, you mix it. But questions. People have been asking me what's my diet. I don't eat red meat and I don't eat dairy. I also don't eat rice that much. I do eat rice once in a while, like twice a week, ganyan. But I preferably eat chicken and fish. No dairy, as in no milk from cows or mga carabao, bawal sa akin because I have acid reflux. So the only thing I eat is non-acidic food, and which is avocados, banana, dates, healthy stuff, salmon, chicken, pesto, mostly homemade stuff. I stopped eating meat when I discovered I had acid reflux last October. It was really taking a toll on my health. I was having tinnitus, you know, yung sound sa head, yung zzz in my ear, and it's because of acid reflux. And I had the burning tongue syndrome. My tongue was very, parang burning, ganun yung feeling. And yun, so I decided that I needed to make a lifestyle change. So there, that's my diet. So we are waiting for it to simmer pa. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the toothpick thing. We're gonna check the toothpick thing if it's already medyo luto. Kasi we're gonna leave it there lang to let it simmer, and then we will make kwentuhan pa because ang dami talagang produkto ng Bayambang na talagang sinusuportahan po natin. We love Bayambang. Do you know that Bayambang also produces so many onions and corn and mangoes? So, you know, ang dami talagang produkto dito sa Bayambang na kailangan suportahan natin at ipaalam sa buong mundo na dito galing yon. So, ang saya lang kasi ang mga gumagawa nito is mga Bayambanggenyos natin na nasa ANCOP Village na, you know, one of the projects of Cesar talaga, one of the main, it's not one of the, it's the main project of my husband here in town is to alleviate poverty. And this is one way of helping our people alleviate poverty para magkaroon silang kapangkabuhayan, you know, para at the same time, maging proud sila na gawa namin to. So at the same time, empowerment rin to the people. So I'm proud of my husband. Because his mind is so woo, Okay, so we will wait for it to simmer and stuff. And I will call Daryl. Daryl is the manager of Niña's Cafe, a very, very reliable person. So if you want to visit Niña's Cafe, just come here at Bicol Norte, Niña's Cafe in Bayambang. So Daryl, you will cook the cookies for me. So I will wait for you, Daryl. Thank you, Daryl. Hi guys! So now I'm here at the table at Niña's Cafe. It's located at Bicol Norte, Bayambang. The best food here in Bayambang is here in Niña's Cafe. So now I would like to show you the products of Bayambang from our farmers here in Bayambang. And of course, I want to promote my son's business, Green Wagon, Czar's business. So if you need vegetables, you can order from him. Just search in Facebook, Green Wagon. So here you go. This is the O-krantz products. Ito yung mga produkto ng Bayambang. We have okra, squash, onion, and of course the salsa, and again our one food rice. So napakasarap nito talaga guys. So if kailangan nyo magkain-kain ng mga chichirya, better na ito na kasi ito talagang no preservatives, very natural, very healthy. And my personal favorite talaga is the onion chips. And right now I will eat and I will share with you guys taste. Okay, so it's made from red onions and it's really made from here and sobrang konting calories lang. See, 110 calories. So if you're in a calorie deficit, this is a go-to if you need something to snack on. So right, I'm gonna eat it now. Sarap! It's really yummy. And you see, I'm acidic. I'm not really supposed to eat onion, but I'm eating, so I'm bad. But it's really good. I could actually finish one pack of this. So, where can we order this, Poka?
One food.
Yeah, we can order this from here at Niña's Cafe. It's made by One Food Corporation. It's so yummy, and I'm gonna drink my water from Quench. I wanna call Paeng. Paeng, come here and join me, guys. Paeng, come here, Poka. Join me and let's eat this O-krantz. So next is the squash. Squash chips. Napakasarap rin ito eh. Poka, what is your favorite one food product?
The onion, actually.
It's really good talaga, guys. Kailangan nyo matry. Nako, alam ko na, Poka. Magpa-raffle tayo. Mamigay tayo ng O-krantz products, guys. One of these days, gagawa kami ng raffle and mamimigay kami ng O-krantz products. And ito naman yung squash.
Yes. Oh, actually, it's, masarap. Dinidip dito. Yeah.
Okay, pakuha tayo. Paul, can we have a dipping plate thing? Ang sarap rin ito, guys. This is the squash. Actually, onions talagang. Bayambang is the onion capital of the Philippines, right? I'm proclaiming it, that it is the onion capital of the Philippines. Ito talaga yung agricultural product here in Bayambang. It's onion and corn.
Yeah.
I believe so, corn. So, ito talagang the best talaga to. Talagang hindi ka nalang mamamalayan. Hindi mo mamamalayan na ubos mo na. Sarap.
Oh.
Alam niyo ba, ang daming health benefits ng onion, ha? Talagang healing yan. Pero kung acidic ka, don't eat onion. Unless pag cooked ata, pwede. So,
You love okra ba?
I love okra. Alam niyo ba, gusto ko lang magkwento. Dati, nung nasa States ako, favorite na pinupuntahan ko lagi. Kasi yung pag-healthy, whatever ako talaga. It's yung Whole Foods or Trader Joe's, okay? Sa Whole Foods, maraming mga dried okra. Dried vegetables na snacks. And pinapapak ko yun talaga. Lagi pag mag-grocery ako doon, ubos talaga sa akin. Tapos, mga dried gulay. Tapos nakakasaya naman ngayon na dito sa Bayambang, may mga ganon. Talagang exactly the same as the one in Whole Foods. The dried vegetable chips. Exactly the same. So, I'm proud lang. So, why did we name this O-krantz again?
Para magtunog German daw.
I just wanna say hello to Tito George. Yulo for thinking of that name, O-krantz. I was against it at first, actually. But okay, baka I can't open it. So, ito yung okra. Talagang buong okra siya, oh.
Yes po.
So, talagang, I'm gonna eat it na with the salsa. Bawal sa akin ng tomato.
So, ako nilang kakain ng salsa.
Pero ang sarap ng salsa, ha?
Yes. Parang yung parang susal na, yung mga,
Tostitos.
opo, tostitos.
It's really good. Also, but my favorite is really this one. This is the best. Talagang, it's so yummy.
It's the yummiest. Pero lahat naman yan.
Kasi onion,
Yes, ma'am.
di ba parang sweet siya, matamis-tamis siya. Hindi siya, ang sarap. Di ba pag onion, isipin mo pang corned beef, ganyan, pang beef steak, di ba? Pero ito parang, hindi ko ma-explain, ang sarap niya talaga. So, we can buy this at all the restaurants and establishments here in Bayambang. So, Niña's Cafe, of course. Ooh! Buro! Actually, favorite ko yung buro eh. Favorite ko yung buro ni Ate Myra. Yan ba yun?
Sa cafe.
Okay. Guys, this is the rice that I made, is it?
It is.
Oh, I made rice! I made rice again! So, tingnan niyo naman, napakasarap ng rice namin dito sa Bayambang. Parang Japanese rice. Hindi siya dry.
Oh.
Very masarap talaga. Malinamnam na rice. Oh my gosh, Poca, there's the longanisa. Do you have my gluten-free also? Also guys, dito sa Niña's Cafe, they have gluten-free options because of me. Favorite ko dito sa Niña's Cafe is the gluten-free chicken kikiam na sobrang sarap talaga. And also, meron silang ribeye steak na sobrang bestseller nila yung dito. Pero I can't eat meat kasi. Pero talagang Argentinian ribeye beef, it's yummy. And their Caesar salad, made out of scratch talaga po ka. Hindi siya yung out of the bottle. Talagang may egg yolk, anchovies, and then halo-halo, olive oil. Talagang homemade.
Masarap talaga po.
Masarap talaga siya. So now we are gonna try. Favorite ko ang buro, guys. Hindi nyo alam, product rin yan dito ng Bayambang. Ang buro. Burong bangus ba to? Or hito?
This is hito, ma'am.
Okay.
Dalag.
Burong dalag. Favorite ko to, pero mas gusto ko yung super crunchy na buro. Tapos I eat it with okra. So see? Ay, masarap! Dahil sa galing to.
Dito po.
Very good. Niña's Cafe patronizing local products talaga.
In Bayambang, ma'am, the buro is made in Barangay Foundation. Doon talaga sila, mas maraming may marunong gumawa ng buro.
Si Ate Myra?
No, that's a Mantusili sa Ate Maya.
Okay.
This one is also product of ESU.
It's a buro?
This is buro. This is
Yan yun?
That's different. That's the
Fresh.
Is the fresh.
Daryl, where's Gingging? I wanna say, hey Gingging, where are you? If you can see me, come here, Ging. I need my water. Because I'm so, Poca. You know, we all drink the, quench water. Pero me kasi personally, I drink, Kangen water. Because of my health issues, I have to drink Kangen water. So I'm looking for you. Poca, let's try na the Longganisa. Okay.
Thank you,
Okay. Pero you know, Poca, you cannot eat every day kasi it's can you I'm eating now and putting this in my mouth.
It's masarap naman.
Sarap. Now I'm walking to my number one fan. My number one fan.
Uy!
Masarap yung longganisa.
Konyo kukunas.
Wala ka ng choice, love. Masarap yung longganisa.
Masarap.
Wow! Sabihin mo doon, it's yun.
Ito masarap po. Nakain ko na.
Favorite niya kasi ang longganisa ng Bayambang. Si Dagan sinusuportahan ng ating mayor, ang mga produkto ng Bayambang at favorite niya ang buro. Talagang favorite niya ang buro. He can eat buro every day. So, there you go guys. So, what's your message?
Bayambang's best.
Bayambang's best.
This is my spider boy. Hug mama na. And he's gonna go run away. Okay, spider boy. Kiss mama na. Bye-bye. Okay. And he loves the bayambang food. He loves to draw.
Guys, thank you so much for joining us this Friday with our session of eating and cooking. I hope you guys had fun and I hope masuportahan niyo po ang mga produkto ng Bayambang dahil kami mismo pinusuportahan namin at proud na proud kami na meron kami mga ganito sa aming bayan. So, maraming salamat guys at inaarot pa ka!